Okay, the question I'm looking at now is from, I guess it's Supporting Star. I don't even know. It doesn't matter. But it's this little packet that you have for homework. And it's going to be the very last page, number 1. So honestly, there's just a lot of words up here that don't mean a whole lot. So I'm not even going to pay a whole lot of attention to that. But what I am going to do is it says which of the following statements is supported by the data. So letter A says the median salary for teachers. Well, first of all, in order to find median, I need to make sure that my numbers are put in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to grab a scratch sheet of paper and I'm going to write these numbers in order. So smallest number for teachers is 27,500, and then 30,000. Pathetic. 32,000. And I am crossing them off as I write them so I don't accidentally forget or use one twice. And then 35,000. Okay, these are my teachers. And I'm going to do the same thing for the engineers. Lowest number first. So 32,500. And then 33,000. 35,000. And 38. And then 40,000. Okay. So back to letter A. It says the median salary for teachers is $2,000 lower than the median for engineers. So this is what I would write. I would write teachers are less than engineers. Because that's what it's saying. It's saying that they're lower. Now, after I decide if it's true, then I have to check to see if it actually is a difference of 2,000. So my median, I already know, is my middle two numbers, 35 versus 32. But that's actually $3,000 lower. So this is by 3,000, and that means that's not the correct answer. Letter B, the spread of the salaries. Okay, spread means taking my highest and lowest and subtracting. So quickly, 35,000 minus 27,500. That gives me 7,500. So the spread for teachers, and I'm going to write that here. I'm going to use R for range. We said was 7,500. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for engineers. My lowest number and highest number subtracted. 40,000 minus 32,500. That's equal to 7,500. So my range or spread for both are exactly the same. So let's read this. It's saying it's $1,000 higher. That's not true because it's equal. And I might just write same. Letter C says the mean salary for engineers is 4,150 lower. So to find mean, we have to add all of these up and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27,500 plus 30,000 plus 32,000 plus 33,000, 250 plus 35,000. That's 157,750, but that's clearly not the mean or the average. Now I have to divide, and there were 5 values, so I'm dividing by 5. 31,550. So I'm going to write that down. My mean, actually I should probably write the word mean. The mean is 31,550. So I'm going to do the same thing for my engineers, adding up those numbers. 32,000 plus 33,000 plus 35,000 plus 38,000 plus 40,000 equals, that's not my average, I still have to divide by the number of numbers, which is 5, 35,600. 35,600. Now back to the question. It says the mean salary for engineers is $4,150 lower. Well, first off, is it lower? No, because this is 35,600 and this is 31,550. So I'm already gonna, I don't even have to do the subtraction because it's not already lower, it's actually higher. pay than the teachers. So that's not the right answer. And then the salary range for both teachers and engineers is the same. And look, we've already done that. We found the spread, and yes, they are equal. So letter D is my correct answer for that question.